Good medical morning. This is Watson, and this is your medical week in review. First off is this impressive hair in the eye. I'm sure it was a relief to get that one out. Next is a fun pop that I believe originally came from Lone Nguyen. Click like if you're a fan of her work. Can anyone identify what these plugs are on Grison's knees? This is from Jada Kennedy. She thought it was deodorant buildup. Is it really deodorant? Stick around and we'll discuss. Meanwhile, this tourist stepped on a souvenir they bought from the Statue of Liberty. Ouch. This guy waited a week to finally pop this infected pimple. This fan wants to know if they should see a doctor for the burn she got from spilling soup. What do you think? And TikTok showcased this epidermoid cyst. So was this really deodorant or possibly antiperspirant? Experts think it is actually hidradenitis suppurativa. Here are a couple of examples to see what they mean. Hidradenitis suppurativa, or HS, is a chronic or long-lasting inflammatory skin condition that may be caused by malfunctions in the body's immune system. It might start with small pimple-like bumps or boils that show up on or under your skin, and can progress to painful abscesses that may eventually burst or rupture and cause scarring. What do you think? Is it HS? Comment below. Finally, can we get a like for Charles, who turned 101? Oh yeah. Now, let's take a look at these amazing teeth whitening pens.
Have you ever found yourself wanting to whiten your teeth, but those white strips are too inconvenient or too expensive? Maybe they cause gum irritation. Well, I think it's time that you pick up teeth whitening pens. Just brush them on your teeth once a day, and your teeth will be noticeably whiter in no time. Teeth whitening pens don't irritate your gums like white strips, and they're super convenient. I keep some in my car for the commute to work. Put them at your desk, in your car, in your purse, wherever. They're super convenient, and they're less than half the price of white strips. I'll put an Amazon link in the description below. Pick up yours today.